Right, welcome to day 6, and this time I'm actually starting on time. So as you can see, it's about to actually start in 30 seconds. Meanwhile, let me just quickly create a new Python file here. Damn it. There we go. All right, make sure that thingy is showing up. Yep. All right, here we go. I'm not actually competing here. I'm just do it, when it opens. All right, tuning trouble. The preparations are finally complete. You and the elves leave camp on foot and begin to make your way toward the Starfruit Grove. As you move through the dense undergrowth, one of the elves gives you a handheld device. He says that it has many fancy features, but the most important one to set up right now is the communication system. However, because he's heard you have significant experience dealing with... Okay, it's pointing to several past problems. That's cool. He's convinced the other elves that it'll be okay to give you their one malfunctioning device. Surely you'll have no problem fixing it. And as if inspired by comedic timing, the device emits a few colorful sparks. No, none of this is important so far. To be able to communicate with the elves, the device needs to lock onto their signal. The signal is a series of seemingly random characters that the device receives one at a time. To fix the communication system, you need to add a subroutine to the device that detects start of packet marker in the data stream. In the protocol being used by the elves, the start of a packet is indicated by a sequence of 4 characters that are all different. Okay. The device will send your subroutine and data stream buffer. Your subroutine needs to identify the first position where the 4 most recently received characters were all different. Specifically, it needs to report the number of characters from the beginning of the buffer to the end of the first 4 such 4 character marker. Okay. For example, suppose you receive the following: MJQJPQMJ. Okay, fine. Fine. How many characters need to be processed before the first start of? First marker after BVWBJ. So it's VWBJ, so the answer is 5 because you end on the... I see. Fine. All right. Let's do this then. It's just one huge buffer, isn't it? So... it's just one input, one line? Okay. So... all right. Let me bring up the IDE. Line equals f.read line dot strip. Okay, so we want for I in range for up to, I don't know, length of line. It's gonna terminate anyway. Tad better. There's if length of set of line from I from, so we take the slice going from I minus 4 to I, so the slice preceding that character, if that has precisely 4 different characters that were unique, then print, so it's just I is the number we want, isn't it? If it was right at the start, the first 4, then you would say 4. 1, 2, 3, 5 is supposedly the answer. Yeah. Nice. That's the fastest I've done part 1. All right, part 2. Your device's communication system is correctly detecting packets, but still isn't working. It looks like it also needs to look for messages. A start of message marker is just like a start of packet marker, except it consists of 14 distinct characters rather than 4. Here are the first positions of start of message markers for the... Wait. So it's the same, but you just change 4 to 14? Huh? Is that it? I literally just... So we change that to 14. That to 14. 14. Could that be it? There we go. That's the fastest I've solved any of these. How long did I take? Like 5 minutes, maybe? Okay, I mean, I did say I'm not being competitive here, and I was explaining things as going along, but I did actually get in the top. What does these numbers mean exactly? Gold indicates users that have completed both parts of a puzzle. Oh no, that's just how many have completed. How do I know what position I came? So it took me 5 minutes 45. Rank 2670. Oh, I did better for the whole thing. So 2334 out of, well, tens of thousands, I guess. Cool. Well, that's it for today. That was a just less than 10-minute stream. Yeah, that was a nice problem. It was only one line. That was a bit easy. I thought there was going to be a trick or a catch to this, like some sort of cryptic thing, but it wasn't. It was literally just iteration. I mean, Python is nice and easy for working with sets. You can use a set of characters and then check the size of that set to determine if they were all unique or whether it collapsed from non-unique characters. But other languages, yeah, you probably have to write something a bit messy, maybe like use a hash table or something. Like C++, I don't even know how to use a set. I guess I would make a hash table. But that's why I use Python and not anything else. Alright, I'm done. See you tomorrow. Maybe. I might be traveling tomorrow. I might not be able to log on.